Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the best 2 deals, some clearance deals. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers support for my subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, we got the crosscut. We got $100 off on all the mowers of Eagle, especially on the higher end. This is the crosscut, and then this is the self-propelled for $4.99. And then you got the basic mower. This is the one that I have. Definitely recommend. This was just a push for $3.99. If you guys compare it to other mowers, you're gonna end up paying just about the same as the Cobalt. So I would definitely go for the Eagle instead of this Cobalt. Getting a much more quality tool. Alright, so you got some clearance here at the Craftsman's 2-cycle 42cc chainsaws. At the other store that we went to, we did see the 16-inch chainsaws for around $100. So just keep an eye out on these. This is a 16-inch for $169. So I believe it was the 14-inch or the 16-inch. I can't remember exactly which one was it that was around $100. And then this is the regular price for this one. This was the 14-inch for $149. I believe it was the 14. Now that I remember. And then you got the 16 for $169. That's what we just went over. So I'm just showing you guys the tags. Pretty nice looking chainsaws here. They are gas, by the way. So these are all gas chainsaws. Alright, $69 down from $79.98. It's a trimmer shear kit. That's a smaller little shears for smaller brushes and stuff like that. So definitely check it out. It's a 2-in-1. You got this battery on clearance. $61.57. Gotta get some of that stuff out of the way. But yeah, that's a 40-volt Cobalt. So regular price $79.98 down to $61.57. 2.5 amp hour battery. 40-volt max ultimate output. Onboard fuel gauge. So pretty nice batteries. And this is the Cobalt 40-volt max backpack blower, $224. Guys, some of these did go very cheap. This one's really expensive for what it is because it doesn't have the battery. So just keep an eye out on those. $47.24 down from $62.98. It's a Lefkin Professional Measuring Wheel. $119 down from $120. We got $128 down. That's the Craftsman Steel Shelf, 18 by 36 by 72. So these are it right here. The bottom ones actually. I was looking for them at the top. Looks like these are it. I'll show you guys a little bit what they look like. If you guys see there to the right, that's how it's gonna look. So pretty nice. And then they found this thing. This thing's on clearance. It seems like it's a commercial grade. Broadcast spreader, 50-pound capacity, $179 down from $299. So it might be this one. It might not. I didn't double check. So I just show you guys the text. So you guys will double check. These are $8 and down from $12. It's impact duty gloves. So a lot of these are mixed. So I'm just showing you guys the tags, so just to make sure you guys get them right. You guys are looking for these. This is $9.97. So a lot of this stuff is getting clearance out from the winter. It's not even cold here in Phoenix, by the way. In the winter, just a little bit of cold. A few days. Got a hat there for $9. Got some nice Camel Gloves for $5.47. I should have just picked some of these up. These are pretty nice. So a lot of these, I'm not going to go over all of them. $29.97 down for $39.97. Wet and dry vacuum. This is a 3-gallon. So it's a very inexpensive vacuum. It's a 3 horsepower, 3-gallon. Basically a handheld. You got 11.17 down for $13. This is a chisel spade bit set, 10-piece. They're sold out. I was looking for them. Same thing with these are sold out. 1-inch cordless short auger bit set. Bosch SDS bit 5 count. Bosch SDS 6-inch bit 5 count. You got Bosch 9-piece concrete anchor install kit, $14.97 for $24. So pretty nice little deals on these. And then $6 for the 42th gen 6 1/4 blade, or 7 1/4 blade. My bad, 7 1/4 for $6. Not too bad. $15.97 for the 14-piece T-shank jigsaw blade set. That's not it though. That's in the wrong section. You got a 9-inch That's it right. I think that's, yeah, that's the one that's for that tag. Then you got this one $8.97 down for $9.48, 7/8. And then you got the $11.57 down for $14.48, 1 1/8. You got some bottle openers, $2.98 down from $4.98. Got a battery. Here's a Bostitch Battery, 2 amp hour battery, $47. So not too bad on that. Pretty good deal. You got a 2-pack. These actually on some stores are going really cheap. I believe Jeff Ostroff, big shout out to Jeff Ostroff. I believe he saw them or he heard somebody got them for like around $5. Keep an eye out. Those are really expensive blades. Make sure you guys keep an eye. $31 down from $39.98. Auger Bit Set. And you got $49 for this 5-piece oscillating blade set. This is something that catch my attention. I believe we haven't seen this since like the holidays, or maybe about 2 years ago I saw this thing. Or something similar. So it just catch my attention. Maybe that's something that's gonna go up on sale this this holiday season 2022. Still got some of these for $39.37, down from $149. This is a pretty good deal on that if you're on the line. 31-piece drill drive set, Metabo, $5.97. It's a pretty good deal, guys. I left a few of these at the store. I just picked up one, so I want to try these out. But it's actually a pretty good deal. Hopefully somebody else will get those bits. This is $5.97, 33-piece drive bit set. Just another bit set here. Do apologize for the dog. My neighbor's dog is barking a lot, so if you guys hear it, disregard it. I'm just trying to get this video because I need to do some more stuff. $249 for the 4-tool 18-bolt brushless combo kit. So it's not a bad deal. It's actually a pretty good deal. These are basic tools, but you know they'll get you there. So $139. This is the 2-tool brushless combo kit, and then you got an impact driver for $99, down from $139. So that's a good deals on these. $129 for the drill driver. I believe that's the hammer drill. Alright, you got a miter saw here. It's a 15 amp sliding compound miter saw. So this is a slider, 10-inch. You got $219 down from $249. So it's a 10-inch slider. And then you got the Metabo here on the left, right there. And then it does have the sides. It is like a compact. You can put that to the wall and it doesn't take a lot of space. $279 down from $299. It is a 10-inch also. So $83 for the table, a skill router table saw, or table, my bad, router table, not table saw. So this is the table. It does not, I believe, it does not include a router. Got the ultra saw toolkit, 20 volt, 104. So this is from Dremel. Alright, you got the $81 belt disc sander. It's a 4x8, 5 amp, done from $299. This is a pretty good deal on that one. They didn't have these, so I'm just going over the tags like I said earlier. Got a 16-inch bench grinder, $61. That's it right there. It looks like that's it. So make sure you guys double check those numbers on the, the barcode numbers. $24.98. And this is not it. This is mixed. It's actually on the other side. I'll show you guys what they look like. This is actually from the other side too. So you got $119. This is the drill driver. If you buy any of these tools, you're gonna get yourself a free battery and 2 batteries and a charger. So it's a pretty good deal. $139 for the circ saw. Comes with the free 2 batteries and charger. So if you guys are on the line, even if you're on the 20 volt line, you can use the same chargers. They do charge the 12 volt and 20 volt batteries. So just thought I'd let you guys know. You got the one-handed reciprocating saw, $139. Pretty good deal on this one. I'm getting a 5 and a 3. That's a pretty good deal. So if you guys see these tools or the batteries, and this is the other side. This is actually a pretty good deal. It is like they are titanium drill bits. So definitely check it out on DeWalt's. Down from $29 to $24.98. Pretty decent price. Alright guys, and I did see a lot of clearance on the Irwins, auger bits, the auger bits, everything. So look, check it out. If you guys are looking to stock up on these, if you guys do some woodworking or construction, or you guys want some of these, make sure you guys check out your Lowe's. Got self-hitting bit. It's a 1 3/4, $11 down from 44. It's a killer deal. I ended up taking a few of these, just mixed for the tool test. You know, for this tool test channel. $8.34 down from 34. It's a 3/4 inch by 17. These are really expensive, guys, and they're down to $8, $7. That's just crazy, crazy deals. This one's the $39.98. It's down for $2.99. It's a 1 inch by 17, so it's a thick guy. You got 7 8 by 17, $9. It's a little thinner, so this is a 3/8 by 17, $6.99. Pretty good deal from $27. And then you got this one from $46 down to $12. This is 2-inch self-leveled bits. I did not see that one. The only one I saw is the 2 1/8. Ended up picking the 2 1/8 for the channel. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.